Kusho ukuthi thina kahle kahle the only way we have to play ukuthi kumele wasitshele nje ukuthi every game esoyiqala sidliwa 1-0. Because the kind of performance that we saw yesterday proved ukuthi when we are playing under pressure, we are able ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sihlale the kind of football that is needed for us to win. We saw the number of chances created, the ball movement, and also how solid and structured we were at the back. So kumele sikhulume nabaphathi ukuthi no, every competition esiyidlalayo ngazathi kumele every game iqale kwi-1-0. Maybe kanjalo we can try ukuthi at least sithole ama-points, maximum points, and also try to qualify for next round of every competition that we play, especially as we are still on the CAF Confederations Cup, meaning that we are going to play the second preliminary round qualification to the group stages. Sanbonani football lovers, welcome to Sportibong Zikamalambong Ngozi. This is where football and passion meet. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and to click the notification bell so that every time when I upload, you get to be notified. Danko, aye, when it rains, it pours ngempela. Our DTC side, our DTC team, it seems like this season, so nengwahle. Last season we were cruising nicely, we were winning left and right and center, but this season we just lost 2 games back to back, and with the same scoreline. I don't know what's the problem now, because this is not it, because it seems ngazathi yonke into iyashabalala kancane kancane, but hopefully with the next game we're gonna win it. The DTC team lost by a goal to 0 by Amazulu FC. I hope ukuthi le team endala iyabona, because we are playing Amazulu next match. So mele benze plan ukuthi babaphindiselela, because hey, ziyakhala ke manje. Abohlongwane ngathi they've lost the spark, abone ubuhluku. Masiqale kamnandi with abopheko phago scoring, nobuhluku scoring, but now ngathi kenyukela, because abongwesa they are still part of the DDC, abomabaso still of DDC, but ngathi akuhlangani. But we just hope for a better, ukuthi will improve in the next match. Ya kona lama lose lawo awekho kahle, because we believe ukuthi what we've built last season is strong enough to carry us to the years that are still coming. But I believe in ukuthi hayi kusese early for us to press the panic button. But akusithi kuphela, even Mamelodi Sundowns lost, Stellenbosch lost. Those are the 3 teams that are able ukuthi ayenze i-DDC ibe mnandi ukuyibukela, because those are teams that have development also. So Orlando Pirates is another team, but bona they won. But when it comes to the DDC, abekho that strong enough, even though most of their teams, of their players in the senior team come from DDC, they get promoted and they deliver. So, but I don't know ukuthi yini lena engenzeki kahle ngalena, but kwikhosi ziyabheda. But asikho lapho kakhulu, asidlulene phambili to the senior team. Indaba ze senior team, obviously we know very well ukuthi our co-coaches Cedric Gaza and Khaled Ben Yusuf gave out a statement to the public ukuthi yes, ku-CAF Confederation you are only allowed to register 40 players, and kule 40 players it seems like mangithi ngiyayibheka mina ngokwami seems ngathi ba-register 37. So kushoda ispace sabantu abayi-3, and labantu abayi-3 angababalanga it is uKhanyisa Mayo, Etiosa Ighodaro, and uLebohang Maboyi, because those are the 3 nje asababekile laphana. Because mothi uyabheka obviously kusamele ukuthi kubhekwe ukuthi okay nesikhathi esingakanani, because I believe ukuthi nge-30 September iyavalwa i-registration period. So Kaizer Chiefs mele yenze yonke into yabo, administration yabo ibe quick ukuthi bazo-register these players so that bazoba eligible ukuthi ba-participate ku-CAF Confederations, because it is said also ukuthi bayoze badlale when we reach group stages. So for now, as fans, our favorites, if we don't see them playing, we don't have to question and second guess every decision made by the coaches, because they've said these players are not eligible to play kuma preliminary rounds so far. but kuma-group stages, if we reach the group stages, okay, that's when we can start to see them playing, donning the gold and black jersey. So for now nje asiyibekele nje indaba eceleni ukuthi basizobabona badlala, and there are also other injured players, aboMako Monyane. Obvious, those are the recent injuries, including uSiphesihle Ndlovu. So yizo ama-updates nje engiwaphethe for today, but nje yonke into ihamba kahle. We are happy ukuthi we manage to advance to the second round of qualification kuma-preliminary rounds. Hopefully ukuthi ama-opponents esizowathola will be the opponents that won't be difficult for us ukuthi is-advance to the group stages. But with the kind of team spirit that we showed against iKuBaSkop second leg FNB, I think it is possible for us ukuthi sikwazi ukuwina. It's just we need that mentality that we had yesterday ukuthi sikwazi ukudlula, and the type of players that we feel that the correct ones that were able to execute the tactics from the coaches uKaze and uYusuf. But okuningi nje sesidlulile kuko, kumele sifocus nje on the games that are coming, especially ku-league, so that we can try, because siyibonile Mamelodi Sundowns, they have games in hand, but and not games in hand, but they played more games than other teams because bona obviously they are regulars ku-CAF Champions League, so they don't play ama-preliminary bona ne-Al Ahly, but they wait kuma-group stages. So obviously babanika these games ukuthi balokhu badlala in order ukuthi balokhu baqhubeka nge-momentum so that bangayehlisi igauge. So we see players like aboNuno Santos nabo they are starting ukuthi bathole igiya lokudlala eMzansi. Hey, zisazokhala yazi mase bahleli lapha phezulu vele hayi abagudluki. Besithembile ukuthi ikhosi le season sikhukhune. Hey, ngazathi zizosikhalela. Nali nebhakabhaka nalo alidlali lokhu libhizi la emva kwethu, liyacindezela, liyapress. But obviously ikhosi asithukwanga. We just have to take each and every game as it comes so that we can be able ukuthi okay, we get maximum points and we get to advance to other stages of the competitions that we play. We still have Abo Nedbank, we still have Abo Carling Cup, so there's a lot of positives that we still have. Just we need the right mindset so that we can be able ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi swin ama games. Yeah, the biggest story, uJunior Khanya, the former Kaizer Chiefs player, usenkingeni enkulu because South African Football Players Union, ngazathi mbeke nje iskata ukuthi one mistake ziyakhala, because they've addressed the issue ukuthi indlela akhuluma ngayo uGrootman, it seems ngazathi man akacabange ukuthi ifika kanjani emntwini into ayikhulumayo, nokuthi umosha kanjani ama-players mentally in order ukuthi bangagive their best. So obviously it all came after akhulume ngoTyson Hlatshwayo and uJayden Adams ukuthi ngazathi akunabantu laphana, but we knew that ukuthi lento leni yenzeka all along, but because of umbhobho bowungakabheki ngakubo, beku-right while umbhobho usabheke kuma-players we-Chiefs, because beku-right, because Chiefs is the most hate team in South Africa. But manje sekuyiwa kuma-players wabo-Sundowns, wabo-Pirates and other favorite teams of the country, sekuyaqalwa-ke manje sekumele kufakwe ama-complaints. So we have to say with ama-players we-Chiefs they are strong, kusho ukuthi le psychologist yabo uHenning Gerige lapha uShaya isipane esihle kakhulu, because they never complained. Chiefs ayikazi izifune nokuthi kuyofakwa i-complaint because ama-players wabo kuthiwani, but ngoba umbhobho sowubheke kwamanye ama-team sekumele kuqalwe kufakwe manje ama-complaint by itself. But asingayenzi bengeKaizer Chiefs le ndaba, but it is a good thing to do, because yes, criticism is important South Africa and is allowed, especially if you are a football analyst or a pundit, but ibeke in such a way ukuthi it is a positive constructive criticism. Lento besiyibona sisakhula sesabantwana ukuthi umzali once wathi kuwe, yazi next time ngicela wenze kanje in order ukuthi uzo improve ama marks wakhe esikolweni, lapho nawe uyabona ukuthi okay. But umzali othi kuwe wena udom vele nyakwazi awufuzanga umuntu la ekhaya, that's when seyiqala iba ne-impact inkulumo ephuma kumuntu. So I think indlela uGrootman angayo, that's how into ayibe ngakhona, akakwazi ukushuya quota but ezinye izinto ziyahlala enhlizweni, kuba buhlungu and kuyazwela, and it affects the players nokuthi i-performance drop, because lapha baze bamgaye nama-conditions ukuthi if akazenzi lezi zinto eziyi-3 abamnike zona, that's when-ke ngazathi indaba yabo yakhona seyizofakelwa ibhuku serious, because they demanded a public and a formal apology to the media platforms ukuthi axolise, and also he must make sure ukuthi he carries himself in a way ukuthi it doesn't have an impact on the players. Indlela akhuluma ngayo mele afane njengamanye ama-analyst akhona e-South Africa, and how the media platforms carry themselves in such a way ukuthi mabahambise information ayibi na impact, ayikwazi uku-affect ama-players. Hayi, ngoba nami isilungu vele angisazi kahle, khona lesi-3 senza ibonela nane-screen, but hey, bayakhala abantu. Umbhobho ubheke ngakubo-ke manje, ayikhali kodwa asikho lapho futhi, but mina ngiyasola ukuthi there's someone okwazile ukuthi ayifakele ibhuku lento, but it's just I can't prove it. First kwaqala kwaba uMphahlelo, uRamahlwe Mphahlele ku-Smash Sports, ku-channel lakaMazola J Molefe, washo ukuthi hayi kunama-former players la azibiza ngama-legends, now they are YouTubers. Instead of encouraging ama-players, they are trying by all means ukuthi babringe their spirits down, bayababhesha, and leyo nto leyo imosha ama-players, because these players are trying to make means in order for them and their families to survive. Hayi, kwathuleka. Manje wabuya futhi waqala i-formation fund for ama-players that he must make sure ukuthi they try by all means ukuthi ba-manage and protect their finance, ukuthi if it happens ukuthi makuphela i-football career, he knows ukuthi unemali ayilindile, because most of the soccer players when they play they tend to forget that there's life after football. So kulapho kaqala wa-recruiter khona uMfundo Vilakazi and uMduduzi Shabalala as his first client, because uMdu it is rumored ukuthi yena uzowafaka nama-bonus wakhe wemali ayiwine ku-Nedbank Cup. So I know ukuthi unesandla kulento le, but I can't prove it, but ngokuhamba kwesikhathi sizozenzakalela. I hope unesese kahle emakhaya. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and to click the notification bell. Danko.